Hello everyone! In today's short video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos on Instagram. If you've accidentally deleted a photo on Instagram and want to recover it, you're in luck. Instagram offers a way to restore images that were deleted within the last 30 days. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device or go to Instagram on your computer. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Your Activity. In the Your Activity section, scroll down until you find Removed and Archived Content and tap on it. Then tap on Recently Deleted. This will show you a list of all the photos and videos you've deleted within the last 30 days. Find the photo you want to recover and tap on it to view it in full screen. Once you've selected the photo, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner. A menu will pop up. Tap on Restore. You'll need to confirm your choice by tapping Restore again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching.